What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up the Mailchimp account for the beginners in 2026. If you're just getting started, this is the perfect place to begin. And as always, the helpful links will be in the description, so make sure you guys check it out. So all you have to do is to open up the Mailchimp.com. We're here, and exit the sign up button, or you can log in with your account if you already have one. Either way, you have to sign in to your account. So once you're decided, what you have to do next is to give your account details. So moving further, you'll land on a dashboard like this. And then the first thing you want to do is to set up your audience. So for that, all you have to do is to, give your business information, business name, address, websites, all that stuff. Once you're done with that, then you'll be able to put the logo and other stuff. So once you're done with the logo, just for a second, and let me put any sort of website for you. Build on connect. And what I have to do is to select between tools that are currently using. Nothing I'm new to this. And either way, I can skip this step as well. So I have to confirm my address. For example, if I am in the ID address, I'll just go ahead and click on technical services. Then here you fill out the address, and once you fill out the address, you'll go forward, and then you'll be able to upload your brand details like logo, brand name, and the history. So after that, you will be pretty much set up. So after that, you'll be able to set up the sign up forms, email campaigns, landing pages, and whatever your next step is. Mailchimp Free Plan gives you all the core tools you need to launch without spending a dollar. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.